Di lang sa Middle East nagbabaga ang sitwasyon kundi maging sa New York City sa Amerika. Bumuhos ang mga ralista sa Times Square para kondenahin ang pag-atake ng US at Israel sa Iran. Narito ang agenda report ni US correspondent Don Tagala.
Daan-daang New Yorkers ang umalma at nagmarcha sa Times Square laban sa US at Israel governments ilang oras makaraan ang pag-atake sa Iran nitong weekend.
No boots on the ground, no bombs in the air! No boots on the ground, no bombs in the air! US out of everywhere! US out of everywhere!
Sigaw ng mga ralista, tigilan na ang illegal at unprovoked bombing campaign ni US President Donald Trump at Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu sa Iran.
The American people disapprove of this war. They want it to stop right now. We are sick and tired of our tax dollars going to fund bombs, destruction, and death in the Middle East. Spend them here on our healthcare, our infrastructure, on helping our communities here. Enough of these ridiculous, endless wars.
Isa sa mga tinamaan ng pagbomba sa Iran ay isang primary school kung saan dose-dosenang katao ang patay at sugatan. Karamihan sa mga ito ay schoolgirls ayon sa Iranian authorities.
So I was exceptionally displeased and furious when I learned about the devastating attacks on the children, on the girls in Iran this morning while we all slept.
I am so tired of listening to these liars tell us that other countries are the threat when it is our government that shoots us in the streets. It is our government that kidnaps children here. It is our government that is bombing and starving children in Gaza, children in Cuba, children in Iran. Are you sick of it? I'm sick of it!
Kinumpirma naman ng US Central Command linggo ng umaga na 3 US servicemen ang patay at 5 ang sugatan sa kasagsagan ng Operation Epic Fury, ang joint US-Israeli military operation sa Iran.
As one nation, we grieve for the true American patriots who have made the ultimate sacrifice for our nation, even as we continue the righteous mission for which they gave their lives. We pray for the full recovery of the wounded and send our immense love and eternal gratitude to the families of the fallen. And sadly, there will likely be more. Before it ends, that's the way it is. Likely be more.
Unang Stop the War in Iran protest pa lang ito. Ngayong Lunes, isa namang mas malaking protesta ang inaasahang magaganap sa Columbus Circle sa New York City. Para sa Agenda, Don Tagala, Billionaire News Channel, New York.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Billionario News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.